Good morning, children. I hope that you are fine with God's grace. Children, did you watch the previous video? What you have learned in the previous video? Okay, now let's recall about previous video. Logical operators and conditional statement. So we have learned 4 logical operators. Do you remember, children? AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator, XOR operator. Then conditional statement. In the conditional statement, we have learned only one conditional statement, if statement. Today we are going to see about conditional statement. The next one is the if else statement. Do you understand the if statement? Okay, first the definition of the if statement. The if statement execute a statement or group of statement if a specific condition is satisfied by the user expectation. So this is the if statement. Now if else statement, when the condition gets false, the else block is executed. This is the if else statement. That is, if statement means the if statement execute a statement or group of statement if a specific condition is satisfied by the user expectation, but the condition is false, the one more block is executed, the block is said to be the else. This is said to be the if else statement. Let's see the syntax of the if else statement. So if else statement syntax is same as if statement, the same syntax, but we include one else. So if condition, then inside the open brace and close brace, execute statement. This execute statement will execute only the given if condition is true. So till this one if statement syntax. Now if else statement means if the condition is false, the given condition is false means we include one else. So if the condition is false, inside the else statement whatever we are giving, it will execute. So the syntax is if condition, execute statement if condition is true, else execute statement if condition is false. Okay, let's see some example. So using if and else, here we write this example. The same example, here we include one else. So in the previous example, do you remember the previous example, children? If statement, open PHP, then here we declare the two variable. One is the pass mark, another one is the student mark. So dollar symbol pass mark equal to 35, dollar symbol student mark equal to 70. So if statement first, if the student mark is greater than or equal to pass mark, if the condition is true, it will execute the student is eligible for the promotion. Till this one, this is the if statement. Okay, children, here the student mark is 70, pass mark is 35. Here inside the if, what is the condition? Student mark. In the place of the student mark, just give 70. So 70 greater than or equal to 35. It check the condition. So 70 is greater than or equal to 35. The condition is true. So the statement inside the echo, that is the student is eligible for the promotion. In the same program, just I give in the place of the student mark, here I give 30. So the same condition, if student mark greater than or equal to pass mark, in the place of the student mark I give 30. So 30 greater than or equal to 35. The given condition is false. So what will happen? It will skip to the else statement. So it will skip to the else statement. What is the else statement here? The student is not eligible for the promotion. So this statement will be executed. So do you understand, children? In the if statement, only it will execute the given condition is true. If the condition is false, the else statement will be executed. So this is the example for if and else. Do you understand, children? If and if else. What is the difference between if and if else? In the if statement, simple if. Only one statement we can use. If and else, we can include one more else statement. That is if else statement. Now let's see if else statement. First we understand the definition of if else statement. The definition is if else statement is the combination of if else statement So combination of if else statement means, do you remember the syntax, children? If else statement. If else statement syntax is one if, then one else statement. So here the combination of if else statement is to be the if else if else. So in between if and else we include one else if. So that is the combination of if else. But here we are using more than one statement can execute the condition based on user need. In the simple if we use only the true statement. In if and else we use true statement as well as the false statement. But here if else we can use more than one statement will be executed based on user need. Here let's see the syntax. The first one, the syntax of the if else. If first condition, if the first condition is true, here it will execute the statement. Here the condition is false, it will execute else if statement. Third one, the both the condition are false, it will execute the third condition else statement. Do you remember, children? First two syntax the same as we include one more block. Okay, so first if first condition, the first condition is true, the statement will be executed. If the first condition is false, it will skip to the else if block. Here we give the second condition. If both the condition are false, it will execute one more block else statement. Here it will execute the one more third statement, it will execute. This is the syntax of the if else statement. Let's see the example of if else statement. The same program we can add one more variable. In if else we use two variable. What are the two variable we use? Pass mark and student mark. Here one more variable we use first class. So open PHP, then pass mark one variable. Here pass mark is 35. Second variable is first class. First class equal to 60. One more variable student mark is 70. These three are the variable. Now we are going to use if else if. First one if statement. So if condition. So here if, what is the condition? Student mark greater than or equal to first class. If the condition is true, the first statement will be executed. So inside the echo, the student is eligible for the promotion with first class. For example, here student mark is 70. It will check the first condition, 70 greater than or equal to, what is the first class? 60. So 70 is greater than or equal to 60. The condition is true. So what is the result we will get? The student is eligible for the promotion with first class. So the next one, for example, in the place of the student mark, just I give 50. So while we are executing the program, it will check the condition if student mark greater than or equal to first class. Here student mark is 50. So 50 greater than or equal to 60. The condition is false. Immediately it will go to the second block, else if block. Here what is the else if? The student is eligible for the promotion. So this message we will get. Now in the place of the student mark, I give 30. Okay. Here it check the condition. The first condition, student mark greater than or equal to first class. 30 greater than or equal to 60. The condition is false. It skip to the else if. Here 30 greater than or equal to pass mark 35. So 30 greater than or equal to 35. The condition is false. So first two condition are false. Both the condition are false. It will skip to the else statement. Here what is the else statement? The student is not eligible for the promotion. So this message we will get. Do you understand, children, this program? So first we open the PHP, then we declare the three variable. Why we are declaring the three variable? Here we are using more than one condition. Not only true, not only false, we can use more than one condition. So we are using the three variable. So first one pass mark, then first class, then student mark. Pass mark is 35. Here first class is 60. student mark 70. So if this is the value means it will check the first condition, student mark greater than or equal to first class. 70 greater than or equal to 16. The condition is true. We will get the first result. If the condition is false, so in the place instead of the 70, just here we give 50. So 50 greater than or equal to first class. The condition is false. It will skip to the LSIP. Here the student is eligible for the promotion. In the place of the 50, instead of 50, just I give 30 or below 30. So it will check the condition. So 30 greater than or equal to 60. Condition is false. Again 30 greater than or equal to 35. Both the condition are false. It will skip to the L statement. L statement is student is not eligible for the promotion. So this is the example for if, else if, L statement. Do you understand, children? If statement, if else statement, if, else if, L statement. Children, today you have seen two concepts. If else statement, if, else if, L statement. So watch the video. After that, go through the textbook PDF, write the test, children. I hope that you understand. Thank you, children. Hi, children. How are you? Did you learn about me? Do you understand what is conditional statement? Okay, good. I hope that you understand. Don't forget to write test, children. Take care. Bye.